In this video, I'll show you how to clean C drive Windows 10. Cleaning unwanted files from your C drive will make your computer run faster and improve overall performance. So let's get started. First, click on Window key and R, then Run box will open up like this. Now, in the Run box, type temp and click OK. If you get a permission prompt, just click Continue. A folder will open containing a lot of temporary files. These are safe to delete. Now select everything, then press Shift plus Delete to permanently remove them. If some files can't be deleted, that's completely fine. Just skip them. Now again, click on Window key and R to open the Run box and type %temp% and click OK. You'll see another folder open. Just like before, select all the files and press Shift plus Delete to remove them. You've now completely cleaned your C drive, removing junk files, cache, and unnecessary programs. Your computer should now have more free space, better performance, and faster responsiveness.